Today we're going to learn about the ureter slide. I'm going to tell you the points of identification that you can write if you got the slide of ureter in your exam. Ureter is basically a tubular structure and it connects the kidney to a bladder and passes the urine from a kidney to the bladder, right? So what are the basic histological feature and the points of identification? So the first one is it will have a star-shaped lumen. You can see here the star-shaped lumen. You can see in this picture also the star-shaped lumen, right? So the first thing, if you have 4x picture of the ureter, then you can easily say that it is a ureter, it's having a star-shaped lumen, but you have to see other points too. The second point is the ureter will have a transitional epithelium. So what is transitional epithelium? It is a multi-layer epithelium, right? You can see the nuclei. Different nuclei are there. So multi-layer epithelium, it is not squamous, not columnar, not ciliated, right? So a different one, multi-layered, and here are the folds also visible, right? In this picture you can also see the darker nuclei can give you an idea that these are multi-layer epithelium, right? This is transitional epithelium. You can see the darker spot. So the darker spot is a nuclei inside a cell. So if there are many darker spots, it means that there are many cells. So it is a multi-layer transitional epithelium. We can zoom in here. So this is a transitional epithelium, right? 1, 2, 3, and multi-layer. Sometimes they are dome shape or umbrella shape, right? So let's move towards the next point, that is they will have no muscularis mucosa. So usually in the mucosa we have a epithelium, then we have a lamina propria, and then we do have a muscularis interna, right? Or the muscularis mucosa. So here in this picture you can see that we have a transition epithelium, then we have a lamina propria, and then we have muscularis there. So no muscularis mucosa. Another picture, right? Look, this is a transition epithelium, a lamina propria, no muscularis mucosa is here. Directly muscularis layer is there. So that's another identification point. And the last one is that it will have an inner longitudinal and outer circular muscles, right? You can see in this picture that we have a transitional epithelium, then we have a lamina propria, and we said that there is no muscularis mucosa, right? And after that the layer will be muscularis, like the proper muscular layer, but it will have a longitudinal. You can see this longitudinal layer first, and then we have the circular layer, right? This is another picture, very easily mentioned, that this is a transition epithelium. You can see the different layer of cells. Then we have this lamina propria, and then we have directly the longitudinal muscle. The longitudinal muscle will be looking like this, and the circular will be like straps, so longitudinal, right? So longitudinal are in this type, and the circular one are here, inner longitudinal and outer circular muscles. So let's finish it up here in this picture. Here we have a star-shaped lumen, then we have a transitional epithelium, then this is a lamina propria layer. After lamina propria we have a longitudinal muscle, and then we have a circular muscle, and this area that is having vasculature also is adventitia, and these are fatty tissue surrounding it. So the point of identification are star-shaped lumen, transition epithelium. You can also say that it do have a folds in the lumen, no muscularis mucosa, inner longitudinal muscle, outer circular muscle, and finally there will be adventitia, and later on the surrounding will be fatty tissue. So that was all about the ureter. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more.